You're 18 to 25, broke and under pressure. Let me take you inside the raw truth of my 5-year debt-free journey, so you don't make the same mistakes. 1. Most young Indians fall into debt before 25. Why? Because nobody taught them about money in school. 2. Peer pressure makes you spend on things you don't even need, just to feel accepted. 3. Credit cards in college? They seem cool until that bill hits. 4. Student loans look like a solution, but become lifelong chains. 5. People say, you need a rupees 1 lakh month job to be debt-free. That's a lie. It starts with habits, not income. 6. FOMO, fear of missing out, is real, especially with Instagram showing off fake lifestyles. 7. Saving rupees. 500 feels impossible when your friends are spending rupees 5,000 on weekends. 8. That tempting no-cost EMI, it's still a cost, and it builds a habit of borrowing. 9. Buy now, pay later. Offers are modern traps. They take your future peace. 10. Saying no is the hardest part of being debt-free, but also the most powerful. 11. I had to do side hustles, selling online, freelancing, to avoid borrowing. 12. I lost some friends because I didn't party like them, but I found clarity. 13. College culture teaches you how to spend, not how to save. 14. Yes, I was called boring, but today I'm financially free. 15. I didn't buy a bike on EMI. I waited, saved, and bought it without debt. 16. Living debt-free doesn't mean living poor. It means living smart. 17. I said no to a credit card at 21. Everyone laughed. Now they ask me how. 18. Peace of mind. Luxury lifestyle. Debt-free life gives deep peace. 19. The hardest part? Watching others rise faster on borrowed money. 20. But I stayed patient and saved my first Rs 1 lakh before 24. 21. I lived simple. No EMI. No subscription madness. Just focus. 22. I used those savings to start a small business online. 23. Society thinks more debt and more status. But status fades. Stability stays. 24. I chose travel experiences paid in cash. No loan, no regret. 25. Learning to say no without guilt is a superpower. 26. Netflix Zomato EMI culture is the new addiction, and it's keeping people broke. 27. I worked 2 jobs in college. Not glamorous, but worth it. 28. 5 years later, I've gained mental peace, savings, and control. 29. My emergency fund is my real flex, not my phone or clothes. 30. Being debt-free isn't cool in your 20s, but it's the smartest decision you'll ever make. You may not impress others with your choices now, but your future self will thank you every single day. Start with one thing. Spend less than you earn, and never borrow to impress. If you're between 18 to 25, comment, "Debt-free starts now," and hit subscribe. Let's build wealth the real way. No shortcuts. Subscribe to Wealth Beyond Limits.